Oil slumps 4% as Biden set to reduce fuel fees for drivers. Oil fees tumbled on Wednesday on information of a plan by using U.S. President Joe Biden to cut fuel charges for drivers and amid issues over a capability monetary recession after recent crucial financial institution fee hikes, which also weighed on equities. Brent crude futures had been down $4.62, or 4%, at $110.03 a barrel, even as U.S. West Texas Intermediate (WTI) futures fell $4.96, or 4.5%, to $104.56 via 1040 GMT. Earlier inside the session, both contracts had shed over $6 each to hit their lowest considering the fact that May 19 and 12, respectively. Oil fees regularly move in tandem with stocks, which also took successful as buyers assessed how hobby rate hikes designed to chill hovering inflation may stall an economic recovery as pandemic restrictions have eased. MKTS Glob. Biden on Wednesday is expected to ask Congress to bear in mind a 3-month suspension of the 18.4 cents in step with gallon federal tax on gasoline and get in touch with on states to suspend their fuel taxes, a senior administration authentic stated. Lawmakers of each most important parties have expressed resistance to postponing the federal tax. Commerzbank (ETR), CBKG's Commodities analyst Karsten Fritsch said, if successful, the tax cut would probably help prices by stimulating demand for gasoline. PVM analyst Stephen Brennick stated that while decreased patron expenses can be visible as a bullish call for sign, a tax reduce may also set off expectations of further measures by the Biden management to cool rallying strength fees. Biden is predicted to make the statement at 1800 GMT. The White House asked the CEOs of 7 oil businesses to assembly this week to speak about ways to boom production ability and reduce fuel charges of around $5 a gallon as they make report profits. Chevron NYSE, CVX CEO Michael Worth stated criticizing the oil industry become not the manner to carry down gasoline expenses and that the authorities had to trade its technique. Biden answered commenting at the industry's effortlessly harm emotions. Global supply remains anticipated to lag demand growth, as flagged by means of buying and selling massive Vitol and ExxonMobil Corp. NYSE, XOM, this week. The $2.4 trillion set to be invested in electricity this 12 months consists of record spending on renewables, however falls brief of plugging a supply hole and tackling climate trade, the International Energy Agency stated on Wednesday. Meanwhile, U.S. oil refining capability fell in 2021 for the second 1 year in a row, government statistics showed.